We guide you through how to download Among Us on your PC or laptop in 2026. So, the first thing you need to do is to open your preferred browser and go to the official Among Us website or Steam store, then click on the download link for Windows, making sure to avoid any third party sites to prevent malware. Once the installer is downloaded, double click the file and follow the on screen instructions to complete the installation. And if you're using Steam, simply click Install after logging into your account and selecting your desired installation folder. After installation, launch the game, log in or create your Inner Sloth account, and adjust your settings for graphics and controls to match your PC or laptop specs. Then, you're ready to join online lobbies, play with friends, or explore custom modes safely. Don't forget to check for updates regularly to ensure smooth gameplay.